complete trust going forward?
Yes, the most clean sheets in the Premier League. So we would not be here in this position without him. So yes, fully my belief, no concerns.
Ten Hag describes the performance of Casemiro, the Brazilian attack, as a Brazilian defensive midfielder, as he was to say that in fact Casemiro is just incredible, and one of the hard worker player is just working hard on the pitch. He is just struggling to make sure that a club or a team gets a wonderful performance and the positive performance, and of course he depends on him, as he is one among of the great player. He is just one among of the experienced players. He has been participating in different great tournaments, great football tournaments in the world. He won so many trophies, UEFA Champions League. Of course, he has won the Copa del Rey. He has won every club titles, and he's just saying that Casemiro is just one among the helpful player on this squad. He has also been have incredible performance, wonderful performance. Ten Hag appreciates well the performance of Casemiro, as he is just one among of the incredible player, fantastic player, and in fact it's just a matter of time. Once they will just participate in UEFA Champions League, things will be good, things will be incredible, fantastic, and untold. He wants to see Manchester United plays UEFA Champions League next season, as they have the chance, they have every reason for them to participate in UEFA Champions League. Ten Hag has been one among the successful coach recently.